Hi guys, my name is Alexandra. I work here at Shills. I do work with jewellery every day, so I'm here to show you how to clean your silver jewellery from home. Cleaning your silver jewellery is a little different to cleaning your gold jewellery. All you'll need is some bicarb soda, aluminium alfoil, a bowl and a toothbrush. If you are noticing that your silver jewellery is tarnishing because it has some gold or brassy tones, it is important to clean it and take good care of it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to put the alfoil into the bowl. Now you want to make sure that the shiny side is up because it is going to cause a chemical reaction once you enter the bicarb soda and the boiling hot water. So I do have a set of sterling silver earrings here. Doing this clean is going to clean this right up. So first of all, what you want to do is you do want to put the silver jewellery in the alfoil. Now you do want to take quite a heaped spoon of bicarb soda. Don't be scared to cake it on either. Yep. You want to take your boiling hot water, you're just going to tip it over. Now you're going to hear a fizzing, don't worry about that, it's just the chemical reaction, that's what you want to hear. What you do is you can just take your toothbrush, just give it a little clean, and you do want to be careful because you obviously don't want to burn yourself. Carefully remove the silver piece and just give it a really light clean over. Make sure to get on the inside too. Alright, next up what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to rinse it off in some cool water. This is just to get the residue off. Shake it off. And then what I do recommend is using a lint-free cloth because you want to polish this silver up so it looks nice and shiny. Make sure you're getting in everything. You don't want to leave any water on it. And that's how you clean your silver jewellery. Thank you for watching this video, and for more cleaning tips, stay tuned.